Welcome. In today's digital world, a professional email can make all the difference. Let's explore how you can create one with Squarespace. Squarespace offers robust email features tailored to your needs. From custom domains to seamless integration with Google Workspace, let's dive into these functionalities. First up, setting up your Squarespace account. Follow these simple steps to get started. Choosing a custom domain is crucial. It reflects your brand and professionalism. Here are some tips to select the perfect one. Next, let's set up Google Workspace with your Squarespace account. It's a straightforward process that enhances your email capabilities. Now, we'll configure your email settings in Squarespace. This is a vital step to ensure everything runs smoothly. You've made it. Let's create your first professional email address together. Follow my lead. Writing a professional email requires finesse. Here are some tips to ensure your message is clear and effective. Organization is key. Discover how to manage and categorize your emails for optimal productivity. Thank you for watching. Now that you have your professional email, consider checking out our additional resources for further learning.